Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Allen Cottage in Springfield. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom detached cottage. It is in the perfect moving condition and it's in the really sought after location of Springfield. So what I'm going to do is flip you on the camera and take you on the tour. Okay, so this is the property itself here. Now, the great options with this property is you actually have a driveway to the right here with your own private garage, and then you also actually have a driveway to the left. So you have plenty of outdoor space with this property, which is perfect. You then have this really easy to maintain front garden also. So this is your property here. So you have the 2 driveways, as I say, and then your own private garage. So let's head inside and take you on the tour. So straight away you come into this beautiful big living / dining space. So really good size, as you can see for yourself just here. Now it's finished to a really high standard. And I love this, I'm going to show you it here, is this floor to ceiling radiator. It's a really beautiful finish to the room. And this is your room just here. So it's a really great size, as you can see. And it's got a lovely big window letting in loads of natural light. Now I'm going to start the tour in one of your 3 bedrooms. So we're going to go into here, and again, this is a really good sized room as well. And you'll see in here that you have a really good sized room with plenty of floor space, along with, look at the size of that wardrobe, floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes, which is perfect. And then this really good sized room. Again, a lovely big window letting in loads of natural light. Then we're going to come through into your other bedrooms. So we'll go into this one. Again, all the rooms in this property are such a good size, as you can see. And obviously this is big furniture in here and plenty of toys, and you still have so much floor space to play with as well. It's great. And again, a lovely big window, and I'm just going to give you a sneak peek at the size of your back garden. And you'll actually hear as well how peaceful it is here. It's lovely and peaceful. So this is a really good sized room. Then we're going to go across into our 3rd bedroom. So again, a great size, the perfect 3-bedroom family cottage. Again, look at that lovely big window. And this is the size of your 3rd bedroom. And then we'll go into the hallway here, and then just off the hallway you have your family bathroom. So it's a really good sized family bathroom. You have your WC, wash hand basin, and then large enclosed shower cubicle, which is perfect. Such a good sized bathroom. And then into the hallway just here. And again, seeing the living room from this angle just gives you an idea of the size. It's a lovely space. Lovely heart of the home for the family. And then we're going to go through and go into the kitchen. And what I love about this kitchen is you have this window seat just here, which is just perfect. So you can just sit and kind of just take in the world and watch the world go by. And then this is your great family-sized kitchen. So you've got plenty of worktop space, plenty of cupboard space. And then you have your integrated appliances. So just to give you an idea from this angle. So it's such a good sized room. And I'll just let you see it from the other side. And you'll get a wee nosy at your window seat as well. Just imagine just sitting there at the end of the day, just soaking up the sun and enjoying the end of the day. Now we're going to go into the back garden space. So you've got a really good size. Now this is the garage that I mentioned there, and you do have access right up the side, which is perfect. And then you have this beautiful big garden. It's a lovely day here today as well. So we'll just go up these wee steps and you'll get an idea of the size of your back garden. So plenty of space for entertaining in the summer months, or even obviously the evenings, and then perfect space as well for the family. So it's a really good sized back garden. So that was a personal property tour for Alan Cottage. As you just saw, it's a beautiful 3-bedroom detached cottage for you and your family. There is so much space and it is the perfect moving condition. As you've just seen, you've got the beauty of 2 driveways and your own garage as well, so it really is perfect. It's a popular location of Springfield, so you have your local amenities within walking distance, as well as the Springfield train station and the primary school. You're also just a short drive to Cooper, which also has all your local amenities, and the Bell Baxter High School, so it really is in a great commuting location and location for you and your family. Now this property is on the market for offers over 210,000. So if this property appeals to you and your family, then you can either message me directly here, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221, and that's Sophie of 5 Property.